Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your display name on Snapchat. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Snapchat app, open it, and after that go and click on your avatar picture on the top left of the screen. And after that go and click on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to the first option, name, click on it. And here you can change your name. For example, I will change my name to Ahmad. And also you can put your last name and click on save. And as you can see, my display name changed on the app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.